Hello everybody. May na-receive tayong questions from a new pollution control officer. Ang tanong niya rito, hello, can I ask for advice? What should I do? I don't have experience in training in PCO, but I was hired even though I don't experience and it's temporary. Just a question, what should I do on my first week? Any advice, please? Badly need help. End of quote. So, ano ba ang magandang gawin ng isang bagong-bagong PCO? Well, during the first week as new pollution control officer or PCO, it's crucial to familiarize with your organization's operations, environmental management practices, and regulatory requirements. So, para maging organize yung gagawin ng isang PCO, lalong-lalo kung bago, gawa tayo ng structured approach to what you should aim to accomplish. Siyempre, unang-una dyan, orientation and training. You meet with key personnel to introduce yourself to relevant managers, supervisors, and colleagues in your department like operations, engineering, and safety. So, dapat ma-inform mo din sila na ikaw nga ang bagong pollution control officer. So, you meet with key personnel and then understand the organizational structure, gain an understanding of how departments interact and their roles in environmental management. And syempre, review organizational policies, familiarize yourself with company policies related to environmental compliance and health and safety and emergency response. So, pwede mong umpisan yan sa unang linggo. So kapag unang linggo ng pagiging PCO, malaking hamon po yan. Napakalaking hamon. Ano pa ang pwedeng gawin ng isang bagong-bagong PCO? Siyempre, kailangan umattend ka ng basic training course for pollution control officer. Siyempre, yun kasi ang legal requirement para maging isang accredited pollution control officer at magkaroon ka ng basic understanding on environmental laws, rules and regulations, including your duties and responsibilities as pollution control officer. So, puntahan natin yung department order, yung DAO 2014-02. So dito po nakalagay kasi you need to attend the basic PCO training para po magkaroon ka ng basic qualification. And then during the training, maintindihan natin kung ano yung category ng ating establishments at malaman natin kung qualified ba tayo. Or before attending the training, check mo na kung ano ang category ng establishment and then alamin natin kung qualified ba tayo doon sa minimum competency requirements. So attend ka muna ng PCO training, maiintindihan mo na yung mga requirements ng iyong company doon sa mga requirements naman ng major environmental laws, rules and regulations at lalong-lalo ang iyong duties and responsibilities. Siguro isang malaking bagay dito yung request ka ng budget allocation for your training. Mura lang naman po ang mga basic PCO training at available ang mga schedule niyan online sa Facebook page. So hanap ka na lang ng training institution or you can check JP Environment Consultancy Services para sa schedule ng basic training course for pollution control officer. So yun lamang at I hope mag-succeed ka dyan sa iyong journey as pollution control officer, guided by the personnel from DNR EMB and from your managing head, mag-guide ka din nila. At syempre ang iyong makukuhang training provider for your basic PCO